Hey guys, thank you for watching, and today I'm going to show you how to use a micrometer. And it came in this box, which is an outside micrometer. It measures from 0 to 1 inch, and it's in 0.0001 10,000ths. And right here you can see that the parts are a frame. This is the frame right here, and this is the anvil, and this right here is a spindle, and this right here is a lock nut to lock the measurement once you have your measurement correct. Then right here's a sleeve, and right here that you turn on is a thimble, and this right here is the ratchet screw. This is only used when you're really close to the measurement and you start to turn it, and then it starts to like hear some clicks. So what we're going to be measuring today is going to be the intake valve stem, which is this thickness part, which is outside. I already have my measurements on my table limits, and I'm going to be measuring my OD intake valve stem, which is between my minimum and maximum, which is 0.4022 all the way to 0.4030. So what you want to do is you want to take your micrometer, you want to open it up so you could put this in between, and you make sure it's nice and tight. And once you find it, you click right there, then you lock it, then you remove it. Now what you want to do is you want to start getting the readings on the measurements. So it looks like mine is close to passing a 4 line, which I put right here 0.4. And then after that, be aware that these are increments in 25. So mine says from 0 to 25, then 50, then 75, then 1. So I see right here that mine says a 4, but it didn't pass another line, so it's not a 25. So I put a 0 right here. So mine is a 0. Then what I do is I look right here in my thimble, there's another measurement, and then I end up writing that number down, which starts from 0, which is a 0, 1, 2, and as I can see, it didn't pass this line. If that line, since it didn't pass that line, I count, so it's 0, 1, 2. I write down a 2 right here. Now I look at my vernier scale, which is right here on the side, where it has this 1, 2, 3 sides, and wherever this line lands on, the closest is going to be my number. So all I got to do is just see, and it looks like it landed on I think a 7. So it's a 7 right there, so I write it down right here, a 7. So mine says 0.4027. So if this number is between this number, I guess is an acceptable part, which is 4022 all the way to 4030. So it's accepted. So I write it down right here on my inspection report, and I already did it, and mine says already OD intake valve stem, which is 0.4022 max, 0.4030. My measurement, I ended up getting 0.4029. I accepted it as a good part. I wrote it down, and that's how you guys use a micrometer. Thank you guys for watching.